Guys, we're already off to a bad start. JNC fun here.
I asked for a 6-piece.
Hair review. Hair review?
Mm.
Yeah, horrible.
Mm.
My hair review, I don't even want to look at it.
Snickerdoodle ice cream. Snickerdoodle.
Where?
Use one of your Crocs.
Guys, Christmas is treating me good already. Jay gifted me some tie-dye Crocs.
I call the plate. I call the plate.
Alright guys, year review, wait, it's only been like 6 months. Alright, 6 months later.
It's been a year.
Yeah, we'll upload this in a year.
Oh.
We did it in summer, it's winter now, it's been 6 months. Okay, basket review.
We went more than once.
I ordered the glazed chicken, I didn't get it, but we're not all winners
You didn't
here.
get a chicken strip basket?
No, I got the glazed chicken. It was supposed to be like glazed and delicious, but instead it's not.
Where's the receipt?
I don't know.
Look at the bottom of this.
We're not all winners though, and I'm not about it.
Yeah, 6-piece chicken strip basket, 4-piece chicken strip basket.
Yeah, well, I didn't ask for that. I asked for the glazed, but it's fine. We're not all winners here.
We can't always be winners.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put my ranch here.
Royal New York cheesecake. Look at that Gluck. Delicious. It's got strawberries in it. Delicious.
Are you aware something just fell out of your mouth when you started talking?
You're lying.
The gravy is really good though.
This was uploaded by J Gang.
I'm good.
Because you're Jay.
And you know those memes that are like, this was uploaded by Pencil Gang?
No.
Or like, imagine having to sharp your pencil.
Maybe we should like keep the napkins and use this as a plate.
Yeah.
I call the plate.
Well, it's already got range on it.
This ranch probably sucks. I mean, look at it. That just looks like mayo.
It is. Right. That's perfect.
What, mayo?
No, the Crocs.
Yeah, I know.
I want Crocs now. Well, you know what to get me.
Alright. Let's see. Oh, that was close.
Need more napkins.
How are the fries?
Delicious. This is Young Black. Young Black on the bike.
Young Black on a bike.
I don't really want ice cream. I want a drink. I want to Coke to this.
Alright, let's look at the toast. Here's the front side. A little bit of pee on it, but we're not all.
Are you serious?
Look at this.
Yeah, no.
And then look at the
Hang
back
on.
side.
Let me listen.
One side is bread and the other was put on a grill for a second. Not a grill, but like
This counts as a piece of chicken.
whatever.
This is 2 pieces.
Nice.
We're not all winners.
From what I'm seeing, the chicken has gotten better, but everything else.
The bread fell. The bread had to fall down. The bread used to be like the last main part.
Yeah, but this is just bread. It's just bread, and one side is kind of crunchy. We're not
Don't
all
put your
winners
finger
here.
on it.
That's disgusting. We definitely need more napkins ASAP.
We should have stayed inside. Popcorn.
Popcorn?
Tastes like popcorn. No, I didn't.
This blizzard though. What size is your blizzard, dude?
Medium. You think they just have a bowl of butter? Or they just pop the bread in for a second? It's like dip it in.
Nope. I have a bowl that they use for every single one of them. They take it, bend it in half with their hands, crush it together, dip it in, take it out, just rip it apart.
We definitely need more napkins ASAP. I did. Probably not. What are you doing?
What?
The bread's made for chicken sandwiches. You put the chicken on top.
I'm not gonna risk my chicken's life like that. The bread's not good. I'm not gonna mix a good thing with a not good thing.
I want them to see that I did that digestive process.
I love this song.
I'm the pussy pioneer.
It's fine.
He like that. He like that. I like it too. That's why I wrote it. Here, you can. Yeah. I don't want to show your shit. The Don Julio is here, yo. Woo! Let's go. It's a check. Come on.
Your hands better not be greasy.
I don't eat with this again. You see that Zoella and Wolfie or something? What's his name? Alfie? How they're like
Zoella and Alfie?
yeah,
I know Zoella, but I don't know Alfie.
it's your boyfriend.
Yeah.
He like screamed.
Yeah, didn't he come out gay? And then they broke up?
No, she
Oh.
their window's open and she screams help as
Yeah.
a joke.
Yeah. I saw the drama alert, dude. It's crazy.
When he became gay and broke up with her. You're definitely underusing your ranch.
To be honest, I don't really like ranch, but
I know double dip and I'll use it later.
no, I'm not.
Actually got the gravy. The gravy's nummy.
Going for another chicken. Chicken you want ranch on though.
That's right. You ever just look at
No,
someone
what's
like that
that?
and feel bad for them? Like, I don't want to end up like that. Broken.
Do you think
lonely.
that's that kid's mom or grandma?
Grandma?
I'm hoping it's grandma. If it's the mom, she's a freaking smoker. Probably smokes in the car.
Mm-hmm. The kid's the kid's mom's gonna die when he's like 2.
Uh huh. Let's stare at her. Ah!
Why do we even record these anymore? There's a hair in my ice cream.
There is. Put it in my ranch.
No, that's a lot of cinnamon to lose by it. What?
Sorry, push a habit.
Oh my god.
Excuse me.
Look at it. Where's the apple? At last. Fresh air. You should have blown that over my food. Stop.
Over your food.
Yeah.
To get like the stuff back on your food, make it more flavorful.
Yeah.
Really?
You should have got this. It's sneakerdoodle cookie dough.
Get in the frame. This one's really good. It really is. No lies. Feel like I'm in school. Mind if I fart?
Yeah.
Too late. Just kidding.
Is that Braylon?
No way.
That's a Braylon.
That's definitely Braylon.
Is it actually?
Braylon?
Call Braylon. It's not Braylon. Ah! Ah! Call Braylon. It's not Braylon. Braylon's being kidnapped. Go get him.
Why are they still staring at me? I'm not looking away.
Okay. Stop.
That was definitely
Braylon?
No way. Braylon grew up. Do Do you hate the Spanish or the French more?
You job tight bargain. The French are people. I mean, the Spanish has people. I hate more, but the French in the French way, I hate more.
The French way.
Yeah, like if I see a Mexican sitting next to a French person, I would hate them. I would hate.
The Mexican more, of course.
What?
I would hate the Mexicans because.
Oh, Spanish. Sorry.
I'm kidding. I hate the
If a
French
Spanish male and a French male were standing next to each other, I would hate the Spanish man.
more. Why?
But
Why would you? No,
the whole country.
I'm not talking about people individually. I'm talking about like the French as one being, like the French as a country.
But the countries compared to each other, Spanish and France. I would hate the French more.
So you hate Mexican people, but you like the French, but you hate the French more.
Yeah.
I freaking hate the Mexicans.
Don't French have cute girls?
That's serious.
Hey, Alexa, Siri.
Okay, real serious.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Hey, serious.
Are you serious?
Siri. Hey, Siri. Serious. Are you serious?
Serious.
Are you serious? Serious.
Are you serious?
Are French girls cute?
I found this on the web.
French women don't date. The French dating system. Yeah,
They do?
they're pretty cute.
From your own experience, or?
I mean, yeah. One of my girlfriends are French, so.
Which one? Did you forget her name again?
Huh?
Did you forget her name again? I love the song, yeah.
Plum God, alright? 4 p.m. Eastern time. Stick around, we getting lit.
I said we could never be. Oh, I even tried.
What's hot now in R&B and hip hop?
Was just announced.
Look how many songs we have.
On Soul Cycle Radio.
Stacy's mom.
You are listening.
Just listen.
Well, that's a long song.
Just listen. It's what we all.
There you go.
And I'm Brady. Yo, Tiffany, you're wrapping up your Christmas shopping?
I'm getting a
Stop, we're gonna go through all the songs.
No, this one.
Yeah, we will. We gotta look at the rest.
Website for details.
I remember when Braylon was mad at me. I'd do that to him and I'd make him laugh.
I've never seen a diamond.
I'd go like this and then he'd try to push my arm away, but I'd start going around and then his arm would also go around and we'd be doing this and it would be hilarious.
In the movie. not proud of my
how times have changed.
In the torn up town,
It's a little waste of money.
No postcode envy, but every song's like gold teeth, gray goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room.
we don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams.
But everybody's like crystal,
Maybach,
diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on the
Gold chain,
We don't
go.
care. We are caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's a one in our blood. That kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz.
Ah!
Look at mine, looks like a dancing girl. She's like, "Lila, lila, lila."
Let me live that fantasy.
That looks like a squid.
Oh,
I need more rings.
we're better than we ever dreamed. And I'm in love with being queen.
Queen bee!
We are caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's a one in our blood. That kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll. Let me live that
Driving a freaking
fantasy.
Ram.
No limit in the sky that I won't fly for you. No amount of tears in my eyes that I won't cry for you. Oh no, with every breath that I take, I want you to share that air with me. There's no promise that I won't keep. I climb a mountain that's none too steep. When it comes to you, there's no crime. Let's take both of our souls and intertwine. When it comes to you, don't
There's a monster in
be
there.
blind. Watch me speak from my heart when it comes to you. Comes to you.
Get more rings? No. It's actually no. Where did you get more rings? I have two.
I didn't.
Keep it in a light, arrow got your name on it. Oh yeah. Don't miss out on the love. Open up your mind, clear your head. Ain't gotta wake up to an empty
Burping my
bed.
food.
Share my life, it's yours to keep.
That's what I
Now
should
that I
have
give to you.
Spread the applesauce on there.
When it comes to you, there's no crime.
You're gonna place it in my mouth! Get it over my glass.
When it comes to you, don't be blind. Watch me speak from my heart when hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails. Toss, check my nails. Check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Baby, how you feeling?
What's up, New York? This is Selena Gomez. Wishing you a Merry Christmas.
Some days you're the only thing I know. Only thing that's burning when the nights grow
Stranger
cold.
Things vibes.
Can't look away, can't look away. Beg you to stay, yeah.
Here's the residue
Sometimes
of
you're a
mine.
stranger in my bed. Don't know if you love me or you want me dead. Push me away, then beg me to stay, yeah. Call me in the morning, don't apologize.
Nathan's girlfriend's on the hot.
Hey guys, you know Ed? Yeah, his girlfriend.
And let's say he's not around anyway.
Out of life, fight so dirty,
You'll be seeing him for a while.
you're the best thing in my life.
Hold on.
Sometimes when I look at you, I see my wife. Put me down into somebody I don't know.
It's closed, don't worry.
And you push me away, yeah. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies.
Sorry, you're used.
Something in the way you're looking through my eyes. Don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive. Fight so dirty,
Are we ready to do our review yet? Or should we wait till you're done?
Does it look like I'm done?
It was a joke!
Get the songs that make you move without lifting a finger. Tell Alexa to play Z100 on iHeartRadio.
To be young and
The songs that make you move without lifting a finger. Tell Alexa to play Z100 on iHeartRadio.
to be
Can we go
young
to the
and
categories
alive
and
in
check?
New York City.
Can we go to the like channels and stuff?
Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good.
You're kidding. La la la, it's true la la la. La la la, it's true la la la. Oh, it's true. Oh, you could be coming la la la. Never you.
Guys, text me at jncfun.com to
GNCfun.com. Guys, email.
text me at jncfun.com to get so you guys can do my eyebrows. Wax my eyebrows.
JNC.com. No. Email. Sorry, we're gonna try and get JNC Fun.
Can you hold this outside the window so no garbage from the side falls off?
Hold it outside.
I hold it outside the window until we drive by garbage or something.
Now you're in on it, guys.
Yeah, kind of. Is yours gone?
Yeah.
I kind of want to throw mine away. Do you want to smell it?
Okay.
Do you want your own spoon?
I don't want it.
Do you think I should throw it away?
I mean, we could like be sick and then we could play Fortnite all day.
Yeah, but what if Dave tells me to get off the Xbox because I didn't want to go day donuts with him this morning even though I was forced to? He went in my bedroom. He told me to get up because we were gonna go do whatever. And he was standing in front of my door. I had underwear on, nothing else. And he got mad at me because I wasn't getting up when he was staring at me through my door. Dave's a pedophile. Let's go to Walmart. We'll get our 2 energy drinks because we need them. Pull it outside the window so I can fall down. Of course.
I don't mean to be mean or anything, but last night I was with my mom and she was trying to explain how she has a lot of empathy. And an example of her having a lot of empathy was that she was trying to empathize with a pedophile. There was this guy, and he started dating a 15-year-old a little bit ago. And my mom tried to explain a reason why he did that, and the reason was that maybe he was afraid to come out as gay. But that's not even, we don't even know if he's gay or not. He's just, you know, it's just a 15-year-old kid. So, I'm not even gonna explain it all, but like,
Probably should have watched that.
I don't know how you're gonna empathize with a 15-year-old or with a pedophile. I mean, that's kind of weird.
Leave my hands, my fingers in these.
I mean, if it's a pedophile, I mean, I don't know. So, it's kind of weird. J drive cam?
We should park over here. No, don't make. Over here. Throw the bump over the guy.
I'm not gonna do that. Here.
Dude, you have Crocs. Easy for access. Just kidding, I'll do it. I'm doing it.
Oh, wait. That's definitely recycling over there. Huh? Did you hear that?
What?
Some guy just yelled, "Go, go, go!"
That was me.
That was you?
Yeah.
It sounded like it came from over there.
Dude, I was over here.
What the fuck? That was you?
Yeah.
That sounded like it came from over there. They just like hit a bank or something. Just kidding, not a bank. Obviously, it's not a bank. Sorry for
It's automatic. It's auto. It's auto. It's auto up.
Yeah, why?
This is always fun. It's my favorite spot to get out.
I walked in the snow and there's snow in my Crocs and I have to wait till it to melt.
Don't even think about it.
What?
Don't even think about it.
Yeah, look, this is a bad neighborhood. I'm not gonna do that. J drive cam?
Jay get shot cam?
Once I honk cam?
Dude, where are we? Walmart, right?
Nope.
This guy's so nice. He's not stopping for me.
Gosh, we always go off that curb. Alright. Eyelash time.
Fart, how do you get in this lane?
Speed! Push it! Cut him off, cut him off, cut him off! Oh my god. You actually cut him off, dude. That was nice. That was nice.
That was smooth.
That was smooth. Put your cigarette out! Waiting for someone to have their window down so I can say hi.
There's almost first done something. What's he doing? What is he doing?
What?
Poisoning themselves now, begging for our help. Those born in California.
You know what I'm
Don't say I didn't warn you. All the good
What are you
girls
doing?
go to
You're not supposed to do it.
Cause you got herself.
It's a girl, it's fine, I guess.
Cause there are no reasons. The to ride. Living by the side.
You okay?
Stressing me out, man.
Freaking stressful, man.
Go on!
Go on, take your time. Put your window down a little bit. Put it down a little bit. Put it down a little bit. Go on. Go on.
That's Billie Eilish on Kiss FM and Caller 102. No,
Woo, Eilish.
and this 4-pack of Knott's Berry Farm tickets is yours.
Go to the
800
park by that.
C100.
Oh, hi. 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 God, dude, he didn't say hi. I say hi. Hi, hi. He stares at me 5 times. Hi. Yeah, you see? The community can come together.
Maybe the blacks are the good ones here.
Yeah. Maybe. Hi.
Highly doubtful.
Yes.
Like track.
You.
There's no open spots by those things.
You're kidding.
No kidding.
Alright. Just get near it. You see, we have to park by the cameras. Stop! Hi. Oh my god. They look at me. Stop! Hi. Are we doing a James? Oh wait, let's do a review. Your review? I'm pondering.
Oh, they haven't changed. 7.5.
For me, I don't remember what the chicken was like last time, but I don't remember liking it. But this time it was pretty good. I feel like the chicken went up, all right? But the bread went way down. Last time, I think at least both sides were toasted, but this time it was just one side and then the other side was just bread with dipped in pea. So that definitely is -2 points, which will really make it lose the game. Am I right? Get it? That's a Logan Paul versus KSI. 2 points, lol. So overall, my review here is a 6.5. I can't give it to him. Oh yeah, plus, I mean, if we're gonna substitute the Blizzard in, it's gotta go to an 8. It brings it up that many points. It brings it up, you know, because the Blizzard was good. It had the nummy strawberry stuff in it. It was scrumptious. It was cheesecake, nummy. So that brings it up. How was your Blizzard?
I don't like ice cream.
Why not?
It was fine.
Ah!
I like snickerdoodles and cookie and dough.
Like snickerdoodles?
Yeah.
I really like snickerdoodles.